Hi there. Can you believe that 5 months ago I couldn't squat like this to have a picture with my son? Which was so embarrassing to me because I am 38 years old and I couldn't take a picture with my 5-year-old child graduating pre-K to kindergarten. In May of this year, in May 2022, this is October 2022, 5 months, and I'm able to do this. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 exercises that I've done to almost reverse my knee pain. I'm not saying that it's gone totally, but it is 60% gone. So I'm still feeling pain a little bit, but I'm going to take you guys in this journey. But what I promised myself is that by the end of this year, before the end of this year, I should be able to go up and down without any knee pain. So come along with me and let me share the 3 exercises that I've been doing to almost reverse my knee pain. I mean, I'm able to stay here for 1 minute. That's a lot compared to me not being able to take like 10 seconds picture with my son. I mean, it's almost gone. So come along with me.
So the first exercise is called reverse walking. I got this idea from a doctor on YouTube. His name is Dr. Berg. He has over 6 million subscribers. So the idea is that, just like a bended wire. If you want it to go straight, you pull it back to its former position. So walking backwards, try to strengthen the bones, at the back of your knee, because the knee is very powerful. The knee is like, carries the weight of our body. So walking backwards is like trying to, reverse, trying to push that knee to a position where it was supposed to be originally. So the first day that I did it, I felt it, especially playground. The playground in our apartment, is not very level. So as I was walking, sometimes I would enter into a pothole and I would just feel, like a push. And, it was kind of painful. So reverse walking helps with your knee pain. And secondly, I sit on the slide. The idea is that you sit on something that is hard and carry your knee, still giving it the friction that it needs. Sometimes I ask myself, I use my knee every day, I walk every day. Why the stiffness? But, there are some things that we cannot explain. In my own case, I believe that the weight I've gained over the years, no damage, especially my right knee. And my right knee was really, really damaged. My left knee doesn't give me so much pain, but my right knee, my goodness. It was so bad. So after this, I go to a pool that is by the side of, the these equipment at the playground, and I will squat. As someone with knee pain, going down on the floor is the worst thing that, can ever happen to you, because getting back up is so difficult. It's so hard. You have to hold things to be able to pull yourself up. So doing this exercise help you to, the air in your knee to pop, and, the friction to occur. I'm not a doctor, but you don't need a doctor to tell you that squat helps strengthen your leg bones. I hope you get the idea. So with the help of the pole, I was able to squat 20 times. At first it was so painful, but my knees are getting healed every day. So do these exercises consistently for 14 days and you will never regret it. I promise you. Please like the video.
Hello guys. So that's what I do. And this my right knee is getting better and better every day. My knee pain is almost gone. I'm feeling young again. No surgery, no medication, no hospital visit. So I am here to say that you can do it. You can do it. You can reverse your knee pain in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, consistently. Look, my shirt says, pain is temporary, glory lasts forever. So you don't have to live with pain for the rest of your life. You don't have to do surgery. You don't have to put, knee replacement, put, things in your body that were not originally there. Your body can heal yourself. Make your pain temporary. Kill pain with pain. It is very, very painful to try to reverse your knee pain. This, my right knee, used to be very, very painful. Now I can hold it together with less pain. The first day I tried it, it was painful. But in 14 days, it's almost gone. Pain is temporary. So I intentionally wore this shirt to prove to you that it is possible. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Consistency is the key. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you so much for watching. I want you to challenge yourself to kill pain with pain. I'm not saying it's gonna be easy. It was never easy on the first day. I felt sore, I felt pain, but I kept doing it. Don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, I'm trying to catch my breath. Take care. Like, subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.